right, to start this video off, we got stickers coming in, and I got little brother over there putting them on the back window. How's it going? Ooh, there she is. I am not going to disclose how long this took because it took forever. And I also ordered the metallic silver, so I expect it to be more of like a chrome than like a gray. If I'd known it was going to be like gray like that, I would have just gotten the white, but you know, is what it is. I'm certainly not going to redo that. So, I mean, I'm happy. It looks kind of cool. So, it'll do. It'll do. Okay, with all of this being said, I'm going to do something a little different I've never done before. I'm going to do a giveaway on one of these. I got a couple extras, and all you have to do to get entered to win it is you take this video right here, you go down below and you press share. And you click the little Snapchat emoji, you post it on your story, and you tag me in it. You have to tag me in it, otherwise I won't know you did it. At Logan Sark on Snapchat. That's what you got to do. You tag me in it, and if you do that, that's all you have to do, and you'll be entered to win one of these stickers, and I'll send it to you. So that's pretty exciting. Obviously, it looks pretty cool, and if more people want them, then more people are gonna get them. God darn it! So yeah, go post it. Post it right now. Pause. You feel free to pause the video, go post it, and get that accomplished so I can chart it up and get you marked down as somebody that posted it. So first giveaway, big day for me. All right. Stickers are on to the next thing. Okay, next part of the video, we're gonna show the boys the stickers for the first time and hopefully get them put on some of their rigs. So real exciting stuff. Headed to Ryan's right now, flying down a gravel road, obviously. If you're new to the channel, that's kind of what we do around here. We fly around on gravel roads. But yeah, so that's super exciting. I'm excited to start putting stickers on other people's stuff. Yes! Epic save. Epic save. You can't even tell. There. Right about there. Oh, that's mint. Mint. Okay, just made it to Plaskey Performance Shop. Gonna be working on all sorts of fun things today. Okay, so we're gonna fix the AC in this sassy little unit. I'm sick of driving around being hot and having swamp nuts, you know, nobody likes that. There's a lot going on, and like usual, a lot of vulgar language being thrown around, so not by me, but this is probably just gonna be an edit. So cue the edit, cue it up. The man made quick work. That's why he's the best. There's something oddly satisfying about rolling around in a wheelchair while Ryder works on your stuff. It's a pretty good feeling. Okay, so as a gift for Plaskey Performance Shop sponsoring the channel, I got them this, a big window sticker like the one I have on my back window. Evan Pallades, you're getting one too because you sponsored my Valence. But they're surprising me with something right now. They're gonna put it on my tailgate. I have no idea what it is. I'm super excited because I love surprises. Oh no. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, is that what I think it is? A blue, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These look used. How used are they?
Used for one vehicle or device.
Oh, that's good enough for me. Oh gosh, these are gorgeous. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, not a problem.
It's a big day. Here's this, your sticker. This is very sweet.
Thank you.
Ryder says mud trucks are for people that know the price of copper, so he doesn't indulge.
Yeah, no, you can't.
Holy balls.
It has, let's see, board 40 over, got steel pistons coated, stage 3 RCD cam, everything's new on the inside, cams, bearings, got S400 kit, fuel bowl delete, and yeah, it's 472.
So what you're telling me is it's tuned and deleted?
Head gasket's tight.
Never been beat on.
Never been beaten on.
Never seen a burnout.
Old man owned. Oh, he's hopping in. All right, we're mobbing now. We got the truck full of the boys. We're pulling the truck from the back of the shop to the front of the shop, so we got the whole crew. Okay, so we just got the AC working again. I haven't had AC in like 6 months. This is really exciting for me, and I don't gotta be so sticky when I'm driving around. Okay, so everything went a lot quicker than planned, so we're gonna throw Ryder's track bars on and go get rowdy on the pavement, and hopefully we'll get some rowdy 6.4 footage for you, so that'll be pretty exciting. And yeah, so looking forward to that. That'll be freaking sweet. These guys have their hearts set on doing some hood rat things, so we're gonna take to the streets and see what we can make happen here. Dude, the AC is ice cold. Let's go, baby! Woo! Oh, man. Oh, hey, buddy! Dude, it's so wet! I was hanging out the window for like 30 seconds!
Don't worry, I was steering.
Yeah, Trent was steering, I was hanging out the window. I want to see full boosted launch. And it's gonna be cool.
It takes 17 minutes.
I wanna hear all 17 of those minutes. Go, 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 go! Again, a lot of this stuff will probably be edits because there's not a whole lot of commentary to be had when you're just driving around revving your truck, but it's fun. We're just gonna film it and hopefully make a sweet edit for you guys on Ryder 6.4. So, yippee! I guess cruising the strip got too boring.
Logan, what are we doing in the middle of fucking trailer court?
Dude, I don't know. I think he's taking us back here to kill us. I know my truck's not worth killing over, so I don't know, man. I don't know what he's gonna steal. It's pretty sketch, not gonna lie. This is my last message. Do not let Ryder Plaskey keep my truck, because this is all his master scheme. I fear the worst. We're currently weaving up and down the aisles of this trailer park, and I gotta say, I'm seeing some interesting things already. There was a half asleep 40-year-old lady with one boob out yelling at us to be quiet, and we're just idling around. Not real sure what everybody's problem is. I love the taste of soot on a Friday night. There's nothing better than just getting a window full of it. Couple of sassy little units right here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Jeez. Yeah, no, that's fine. I didn't just wash my truck or anything. That's fine. Okay, Ryder's crimping his brakes because if you couldn't tell from the first one, he had some trouble building boost.
Yeah, it wasn't very good.
Yeah, freaking sucks. So we're running it back, and he's crimping his brake line with a vice grip right now, and he's gonna hop back in. All right, buddy. Hey, if anybody asks, we don't know you.
That was this guy. Lucid sticker.
Yeah. The guy with the Lucid sticker on his back window. Is he gonna come in just screaming Banshee again? Yep.
There's a boot.
Not the boot! Let's go home. Okay, time to go. Woo! Okay, so Ryder just laid a major heater, definitely blew a boot. So we are GTFOing out of there and heading back to the shop. And we will catch you when we get back there. Put your flashlight back on there. Somebody.
The floor light.
Oh! You idiot!
No.
Oh, okay. Well, that was a long night, but it was awesome. Successful evening. I got my AC fixed. I got a crap load of new parts from the best sponsor the world has ever known, Plaskey Performance Shop. Seriously, guys, if you're in this north central Wisconsin area, they're located in Auburndale. They do fantastic work. And they're really great. They fixed my AC and they did a darn good job. I'm freezing right now. Huge shout out to Ryder for obviously the ARP studs, the Molly head gaskets, and the Sinister Diesel Blue Spring kit. Those are going to be so huge, and I'm so excited to get these in here. I can't even explain. I was speechless when they broke out the surprise. So that's insane for me. Like, I'm so pumped right now. And yeah, and another shout out to Ryder for getting down with his 6.4 and blowing a boot for the boys with the camera out. And that's another thing. He would have totally done that regardless if there was a camera going or not. That's just how Ryder operates. But huge shout out to those boys. It was a blast hanging out with them, and I look forward to doing more videos with them in the future. And yeah, I guess that's all we have for this video. Yeah, and we will see you all next time.